तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
जय 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 गणपति देवा,
जय 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 गणपति देवा,
जय 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 गणपति देवा।
गजानना गजानना
गजानना गजानना
गजानना गजानना गजानना हे गणपति देवा,
गजानना हे गणपति देवा,
गजानना हे गणपति देवा,
गजानना हे गणपति देवा।
जय 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 गणपति देवा,
जय 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 गणपति देवा,
जय 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 गणपति देवा।
गजानना गजानना
गजानना गजानना
गजानना हे गणपति देवा,
गजानना हे गणपति देवा,
गजानना हे गणपति देवा,
गजानना हे गणपति देवा,
गजानना हे गणपति देवा, जय 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 गणपति देवा। त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी, त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी, सदानन्दरूपिणी साईश्वरी, सदानन्दरूपिणी साईश्वरी, त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी, कारुण्यलावण्य कादम्बरी, कारुण्यलावण्य कादम्बरी, पर्तेश्वरी अम्ब शिवशङ्करी पर्तेश्वरी अम्ब शिवशङ्करी त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी सदानन्दरूपिणी साईश्वरी त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी कारुण्यलावण्य कादम्बरी पर्तेश्वरी अम्ब शिवशङ्करी पर्तेश्वरी अम्ब शिवशङ्करी त्रिलोकपालिनी जगदीश्वरी
अयोध्यवासी राम राम राम
दशरथ नंदन राम।
अयोध्यवासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
अयोध्यवासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
अयोध्यवासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
पतित पावन जानकी जीवन सीता मोहन 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 राम।
अयोध्यवासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन 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 राम।
पतित पावन जानकी जीवन सीता मोहन 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 राम।
अयोध्यवासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
अयोध्यवासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
पतित पावन जानकी जीवन सीता मोहन राम।
पतित पावन जानकी जीवन सीता मोहन राम।
अयोध्यवासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
अयोध्यवासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
पतित पावन जानकी जीवन सीता मोहन 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 राम।
अयोध्यवासी राम 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 दशरथ नंदन राम।
शंभु कुमारा गौरी तनया।
शंभु कुमारा गौरी तनया।
शंभु कुमारा गौरी तनया।
शंभु कुमारा गौरी तनया।
गजानना सदया जय जय।
गजानना सदया जय जय।
जय जय
गजानना सदया जय जय
गजानना सदया
गजानना सदया
शंभु कुमारा गौरी तनया
साई महादेवा साई महादेवा भक्तिपुरीश्वर साई बाबा महेश्वर भक्तिपुरीश्वर साई बाबा महेश्वर साई महादेवा निरुपम गुण सरना साई नीरज गगन नयना निरुपम गुण सदना साई नीरज गगन नयना विभूति सुंदर हे साई बाबा महेश्वर हे विभूति सुंदर हे साई बाबा महेश्वर हे साई महादेवा भक्तिपुरीश्वर साई बाबा महेश्वर साई महादेवा निरुपम गुण सदना साई नीरज गगन नयना विभूति सुंदर हे साई बाबा महेश्वर विभूति सुंदर हे साई बाबा महेश्वर साई महादेवा
चित चोरा मुरली वाला चित चोरा मुरली वाला नंद
नंदलाल नंद गोपाला नंदलाल नंद गोपाला नंदलाला 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 वृंदावन श्याम गोपाला वृंदावन श्याम गोपाला मथुरा व्रज गोकुल बाला मथुरा व्रज गोकुल बाला मनमोहन मदन गोपाला मनमोहन मदन गोपाला नंदलाला 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 नंदलाल नंद गोपाला नंदलाला 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 चित चोरा मुरली वाला नंदलाल नंद गोपाला नंदलाला नंदलाला वृंदावन श्याम गोपाला मथुरा व्रज गोकुल बाला मनमोहन मदन गोपाला नंदलाला नंदलाला नंदलाल नंद गोपाला नंदलाला 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 चित चोरा मुरली वाला पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविंदा पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविंदा पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविंदा पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरि नारायण गोविंदा पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरि नारायण गोविंदा पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरि नारायण गोविंदा साई नारायण गोविंदा पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरि नारायण गोविंदा
दीनबंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय
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 विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय
पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला जय पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला जय
पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला जय पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला जय
परतीपुरीशा विठ्ठला जय प्रशांती निलया विठ्ठला जय
परतीपुरीशा विठ्ठला जय प्रशांती निलया विठ्ठला जय
विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय
विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय
विठ्ठला 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 जय दीनबंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय
दीनबंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय
विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय
विठ्ठला विठ्ठला विठ्ठला
पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला जय पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला जय
पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला जय पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला जय
परतीपुरीशा विठ्ठला जय प्रशांती निलया विठ्ठला जय
परतीपुरीशा विठ्ठला जय प्रशांती निलया विठ्ठला जय
विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय
विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला विठ्ठला विठ्ठला
विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय दीनबंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय
भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहीं नहीं रक्षति दुःखकरणे नहीं नहीं रक्षति दुःखकरणे पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं पुनरपि जठने जय रे शयनम् पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम् इह संसारे बहु दुस्तारे इह संसारे बहु दुस्तारे इह संसारे बहु दुस्तारे कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारे भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते भज गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते
Swami says this beautiful quote, and this is a quote that we will see time and again in many of the quotes that we will be presenting today. Swami says, spread joy at all times. Do not pour into others' ears your tales of woe and worry. Carry a smile on your face so that everyone who sees you can catch that exhilaration.
Wow. In fact, in Prema Vahini, Bhagwan very, very powerfully, Swami says that it is best that the sadhaka under all circumstances is joyful, smiling and enthusiastic. In fact, Swami says this noble attitude is superior to even bhakti and jnana. And I think this is a very, very powerful statement that Swami is making. Swami is telling you may follow the path of karma, bhakti, jnana, but if you are joyful, this is even greater than all the three paths.
Yes, wow, fantastic.
And the very first Vahini that Swami has written. So I coined this. We should always say yes to Jess. Jess is joy. Be joyful, be enthusiastic, be smiling. In our life, that should be the mantra. Yes to Jess. And in fact, Swami goes on to say, those who have acquired this, they deserve to reach the goal first. And Swami says to have this quality of joy at all the times is the result of merit acquired over several births. It's not easy. But I think that is something I feel it is so easy to cultivate. If you're living joyfully is if you can light that spark of smile where there is sorrow and make it into a beautiful flame of joy. And that is what living joyfully is, isn't it?
So beautiful, yes. In fact, talking about the student, I'm reminded of yet another beautiful incident that happened in 2009. It was in the February of 2009. And usually during the end of the academic year, all the students come together and they put up the passing out students. The students are going to pass out, put up something called a gratitude program. So during this year's gratitude, that particular year's gratitude program, they wanted to play a game that Swami used to play back in the 40s, which was passing the parcel. And so we all know how the passing the parcel game works. Wherever, the music stops, that person is supposed to do something. And so one of the things in that, obviously in front of Bhagwan, everything was kind of fixed. And so one of the things that one of the students were going to do was, when they open the chit to do what he's supposed to, it is supposed to be the poem that Bhagwan wrote for that Kote Subbanna, right? We all know the story of that Kote Subbanna. And if you don't know, then you probably should read Satyam Shivam Sundaram to find out that story. So there is a beautiful poem that almost like an advertisement jingle that Bhagwan had written for Kote Subbanna.
The merchant.
The merchant, yes. So what is that poem? That was what this student is supposed to do. So while the practice was going on, the elders had come. This brother had only learned the first two lines of the particular song, and it's a kind of a tongue twisting poem. So he said, I'm not going to learn more. And so they said, you better kind of learn. He said, sir, what we are planning to do is we are planning to have something called phone a friend or call a friend, one helpline. So I will use the helpline. So who's the helpline you're going to use? So we'll ask Swami only, so that they wanted to basically involve Swami into the, and now this was a pretty dicey moment, because it could go both the ways. Swami could get also a little annoyed. What is this? You don't even know, kind of a thing also could happen. And so the warden and all the elders said, see, don't take a chance. You better learn it. This brother, in his mind said, I'm not going to learn it. It's too tough to learn. I'm just going to take the chance and I'm going to jump into it.
I'm going to ask Swami.
Going to ask Swami. And so it starts. And eventually this boy's turn comes and, it opens, the chit opens and he says, what is the poem that was written for Kote Subbanna? And this brother starts to speak. And now he is scared, because what if Swami does not respond? What if Swami does not? He just simply says, no, I'm not going to tell you. Right? You cannot go and say, Swami, I have called you now, you better tell me. And this is in front of everyone in Kulwanthala. So it's a really tensing moment for him. And so he starts, Dorike, Bala Bhaskara, Balallara, Balikulara, he starts. And even as he's saying it, Swami starts to say the rest of the poem.
Wow.
And this boy then, he knows only these two lines. And so he has forgotten. And so Swami says, he's like, it seems he's not able to see because Swami is behind him. So he says, I don't know the remaining lines, but I would like to call my friend. So who is your friend? Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba is my friend. Okay, and Swami is calling him, come.
Oh, wow.
Okay, and it was a beautiful sight for all of us to see, behold. Swami telling him, so he took the mic to Swami and Swami said, no, I'll tell you, you tell. Okay, and so Swami starts to, narrate the rest of the poem. And needless to say, it was one of those golden moments, right? No wonder a joyful time is to have God as a friend in our life. That is what joyfulness is all about. Because just like the husband and wife, every other attachment, every other relationship is going to wither away. There's only one friend who will always be there with us and will spread joy in our life.
Absolutely. In fact, as you're narrating this, there are so many such instances, especially in the sessions that we used to have with Bhagwan in the Trai Vrindavan. Because every evening when Bhagwan used to sit there, Swami used to narrate so many stories. So we want to give you a glimpse of that joy of being with Bhagwan inside Trai Vrindavan for the Trai session. So here is one nice clipping of a story that Swami narrated as part of the Trai session.
And what I would like to, just before we get on to this video, dear brothers and sisters, I would like to gather your attention or ask you to pay attention to the way Swami narrates this.
Yes.
Please pay a lot of importance to the way Swami is narrating
the master storyteller that
the master storyteller with that smile, and you cannot believe what the ending is. For those of you who have seen it, it's once again a repetition. But watch out for the way the master storyteller goes away telling this Chinna Katha.
Yes.
ఒక పండితుడు రామాయణం చక్కగా సుసంగా అతిమధురంగా మనోహరంగా గానం చేస్తూ రామాయణం వర్ణిస్తూ
A scholar singing with his melodious voice in a most enchanting, captivating, beautiful style, he started narrating the scripture Ramayana.
అది చాలా పురాతనమైన గ్రంథం కనుక
as it is an ancient text,
ఆయన అనేక పర్యాలు ఈ రామాయణం పారాయణం చేసి
as he read repeatedly,
ప్రజలకంతా అప్పుడు చాలా ప్రబోధం చేస్తూ రావడం చేశారు.
as he was teaching Ramayana to people,
కొత్త రామాయణాన్ని కొనుక్కోవడానికి ఎక్కడ చిక్కలేదు.
he could not buy new Ramayana text.
ఈ పాత రామాయణంకి పుట్టి పాపం చాలా దానంతో పుట్టి దాన్ని అనుభవిస్తూ
He stitched same old text and was making use of it.
ఒక భక్తురాలు అందరికంటే ముందుగా వచ్చింది.
A devotee, a woman, used to sit in the front always.
ఆయన ప్రారంభించడానికి పూర్వమే వచ్చేసేసుకుంటుంది.
She sits even before the scholar arrives.
ఆయన చెప్పేంత వరకు కూడా కంటిలో నీరు కారుస్తూనే ఉంటుంది.
So long Ramayana discourse was going on, she wipes off her eyes.
ఎంతో ఆనందంగా తల ఊపుతూ
She goes on nodding her head and wipes out the tears.
ఈ రామాయణం
The reading of the text came to conclusion.
ఆనాడు ఈ పండితుడు మొట్టమొదట పూర్ణావతి యొక్క తీర్థాన్ని అందరికీ పంచడానికి లేచాడు.
The scholar got up to distribute the sacred water on this concluding day, Purnamati.
ఒక దినం ఒకరు వస్తే ఒక దినం ఒకరు రాకుండా పోవచ్చు, కానీ ఈ వృద్ధురాలు మాత్రం ఒక్కనాడే కూడా తప్పలేదు.
One might come one day and they may not be able to come the following day. But this old lady never missed any talk.
ఈ యొక్క సప్తాహం అంతా కూడా పూర్తి అటెండ్ చేస్తుంది ఈ స్త్రీ.
She is the only one who attended the saptaha.
భక్తి శ్రద్ధలతో వెళ్ళినటువంటి యొక్క మహాపరమ భక్తురాలు.
She is a great devotee who listened to talks with all sincerity and devotion.
తీర్థం ఇయ్యాలి అని లేచాడు.
He got her to give this sacred water, tirtha, to her.
నా రామాయణం అంతా మీ హృదయంలో గుర్తింపబడింది.
Mother, all this Ramayana must have been imprinted on your heart.
అని చెప్పాడు. నాయన ఈ రామాయణం ఇప్పుడు నాకు
He said, sir, I don't know all about this Ramayana.
రామాయణం అంటే ఏమిటో పారాయణం అంటే ఏమిటో ఏమీ తెలియదు.
I don't know what Ramayana is, I don't know what Parayana reading of it.
ఏం తిన్నావు అన్నాడు.
The scholar asked, what is it that you have listened to over this week?
నేను ఏమీ వింతం లేదు.
She said, I have not listened to anything.
మరి ఎందుకు ఇంత ఆనంద భాష్పాలు రాస్తున్నావు?
Then why are you shedding the tears of joy?
నా భర్త మరణించాడు.
My husband died.
అతను మరణించక పూర్వము భారతీయ సాంప్రదాయాన్ని తీసుకుని అట్టి మొదలకు నలుగురికి తాడు కడతాడు.
As per the culture of Bharat, he used that waistband, the black thread.
బ్లాక్ థ్రెడ్ కట్టేవాడు.
He had that black thread as waistband.
ఈ పుస్తకంలో బ్లాక్ థ్రెడ్ కనపడుతుంది.
I see that black thread in your book.
దాన్ని చూసినప్పుడు
Whenever I look at that black thread, I am reminded of my husband.
దానివల్ల నేను ఏడుస్తున్నాను.
For that reason I am crying, not for any Ramayana.
ఏమి చెప్పాడు స్వామి అంటే తిరిగి కొంతమందికి ఏమీ అర్థం కాదు.
If we ask what did Swami say, some don't understand it at all.
కానీ చూపులు మాత్రం స్వామి పైన ఉంటుంటాయి.
But their looks are straight on Swami.
చెవులతో విజ్ఞప్తిగా ఉంటుంటారు.
They look as if they listen with their ear.
కానీ మనసు పరిపరివిధంగా పరిగెత్తుతుంటారు.
But mind is running after in different direction.
ఈ విధంగా పరిగెత్తేటువంటి మనసు కలిగినటువంటి విద్యార్థులు ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలు విన్నప్పటికీ ప్రయోజనం లేదు.
Students with their minds that always run after, there is no use in listening to any other talk.
స్వాధీనంలో పెట్టుకుంటే ఏది మనకు అక్కర్లేదు.
The one who has got control over the mind doesn't need anything.
So, dear brothers and sisters, that was a beautiful Chinnakatha. As you must have noticed, how Swami beautifully narrates it and how he comes to the punchline. Right? Needless to say, this is not only just for the students of the Institute of Higher Learning, but any of us who consider Swami as our Guru and who wants to be Swami's student. Right? Swami is giving us a very clear lesson over here, and that is, be focused on what Swami is telling rather than just be focusing on Swami, on his physical form, or for that matter anything which is external. Let everything be internalized. How beautifully Swami
I think
explains.
living joyfully means that you should be smart enough to make use of the opportunity. I mean,
Exactly.
Swami is like a diamond. He's a multifaceted diamond of joy.
Yes.
And if you don't make use of the chance, then you lose. You're treating the diamond not like a jewel.
Correct. And I can only imagine, we can probably now only imagine how frustrating it would be for someone like Swami to come out, and knowing fully well what is our capacity, what is our capability, and yet trying day in, day out. Dear brothers and sisters, oftentimes it happens with us also, isn't it? That we try something with our little siblings, with our children, we try teaching them and we get frustrated when they don't learn. And it is a frustrating experience, isn't it? But imagine Swami, in spite of knowing what our capabilities and capacities were,
Yes.
he never stopped and he never gave up that joyous feeling.
Om स्वामी सर्वत्राणपते आश्रितकल्पलतीका आश्रितकल्पलतीका आवद्बान्धव ॐ जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं मरियं नीवे स्वामी मरियं नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेव मंगल हारति अंजुक मंगल हारति अंजुक मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु।
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सती साई महाराज की
समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो